Hey everyone, welcome back to ITS Weekly Tech Update. I'm Jordan, and as always, we're cutting through the noise to bring you the biggest stories in tech from around the world. This week, it's a big one. We've got Apple's new M5-powered devices, Windows 10 is officially goodbye, a cybersecurity shakeup at the federal level, and global trends from AI chips to self-driving cars. So, let's dive in. First up, hardware and platform shifts. Apple just dropped a lineup powerful by its new M5 chip. That includes a refreshed 14-inch MacBook Pro and a new iPad Pro, both tuned for AI performance and battery efficiency. Meanwhile, Microsoft has officially ended support for Windows 10. No more security updates, no more patches, and no new features. That means millions of PCs around the world are now technically at risk. And across the industry, Samsung confirmed the launch date for its long-rumored XR headset, codenamed Project Muhan. Mixed reality is heating up again. Why does it matter? We're entering a new phase of computing. AI isn't just in the cloud anymore, it's built right into your device. From MacBooks to XR headsets, hardware is getting smarter, faster, and way more efficient. Quick tip, if you're still running Windows 10, now's the time to plan your upgrade. And if you're shopping for new hardware, check how much AI power your device has built in. Now, let's talk about cybersecurity and the people behind it. The US Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, or CISA, is cutting about 176 staff during the ongoing government shutdown. At the same time, a key information sharing law has expired, slowing how fast private companies and the government exchange threat details and data. In response, Apple just raised its bug bounty rewards up to $2 million for critical vulnerability. Well, why does this matter? Public sector cybersecurity capacity is shrinking, while the threat landscape is exploding. Nation-state attacks, ransomware, deepfake scams, it's all ramping up. So with less federal help, businesses and individuals need to take more responsibility for their own digital defenses. Pro tip, audit your systems, update your security software, and don't wait for government alerts, stay proactive. Now, zooming out globally, the tech supply chain is feeling the pressure. Ongoing trade restrictions and rare exports bans are driving up chip costs and production delays. Manufacturers are being forced to rethink sourcing, logistics, and pricing strategies. Meanwhile, at GI Techs in Dubai 2025, startups from South Asia and the Gulf region showcase big advances in AI and IoT. And on Wall Street, the S&P 500 and NASDAQ hit record highs, driven by another wave of AI-related investment. Why does it matter? Global tech power is shifting. Innovation isn't just coming from Silicon Valley anymore. It's spreading across Asia, Middle East, and Africa. If you're in manufacturing or sourcing, it's time to factor supply chain risk into your 2026 plan. And for investors, remember the AI hype cycle drives big gains, but also big volatility. Let's talk future tech. What's coming next? We're seeing a surge in new AI models and agent tools being released globally, smaller, faster, and trained for on-device intelligence. Intel just teased its new Panther-like chip, part of a new generation of AI PCs designed for local neural processing. And down under, Australia's regulators are under scrutiny after a new report questioned whether the country is ready for Tesla's self-driving tech. Why it matters? On-device AI is becoming the next computing standards. The next few years will decide who leads, the companies who adapt, or the ones who will get left behind. A pro tip, if you're evaluating next-gen hardware, ask if it supports native AI acceleration. It's the difference between being future-ready or already outdated. Let's hit a few rapid-fire updates. Crypto markets turned bearish this week. Technical indicators suggest another correction could be coming. Google confirmed changes to its ad platform, phasing out call-only ads in favor of integrated call assets by early 2026. And government agencies worldwide are stepping up mandatory patch policies after new nation-state intrusion reports. Lots of movements, a lot to watch. So what's the big takeaway this week? 1. Platform transitions. Windows 10 is done and AI-optimized hardware is here. 2. Cybersecurity strain. Less manpower, higher risk. 3. Global evolution. Tech influence is shifting fast. New regions, new players, new power dynamics. For creators, businesses, and everyday users, that means stay informed, stay flexible, and stay secure. Next week, we're watching for Apple's deeper M5 benchmarks, Samsung's XR launch event, and updates from the Global AI Regulators Summit. That's it for this week's ITS Weekly Tech Update. I'm Jordan, thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay safe, and always stay ahead of the curve. Please make sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss next week's update. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.